Let's see how to start a live stream on YouTube using OBS. First of all, go to your YouTube and click on Create, go live, and make sure you already turn on or activated YouTube live feature. In here, select when do you want to go live. You can schedule the live stream by clicking on later, and to go live now, just click on now. And here we have to select streaming software, and you directly jump into your live dashboard in YouTube Studio. Here under stream settings, you find your stream key or stream URL. Copy the stream URL from here and make sure you have installed the OBS Studio on your PC. Now launch the OBS Studio and let's create a new scene for our YouTube stream. So clicking on this plus icon to create a new scene and typing here YouTube stream. And now we have to add our video and audio sources or camera source. So under sources, click on this plus icon, and to add your webcam to your OBS, select here video capture device, and I'm typing here webcam, tapping on OK. And now click on this device drop down and select your webcam. Once your webcam added, you can resize the webcam just like this. Now, if you want to add a pre-recorded video, then click this plus icon, select media source, and now from your PC, select the video that you want to add to your live stream. You can enable loop for the video here, and you can resize your video just like this. And you can just drag this webcam layer at the top of this list, and the webcam will appear at the top just like this. Now to add your audio sources, click this plus icon, select audio input capture, select your microphone here, then click on OK. And to add your output audio, select audio output capture and select your device and click on OK. Now click on settings and go to stream, click on service. From this list, you have to find out YouTube RTMPS. Then click on use stream key to connect and paste here your YouTube stream key. Then you just copy it from your live dashboard and click on connect account. We can see my YouTube account connected, and then clicking on apply and OK. Now click on manage broadcast, and we'll create a new broadcast before going live. So I'm typing here broadcast name YouTube stream, and you can write a description. You can change your broadcast privacy, and is this video made for kids? I'm just selecting no, and then clicking on create broadcast. Once the broadcast created, now just click on start streaming, and we can see my YouTube OBS now connected with my YouTube live. I'm going back to my YouTube live dashboard and just reloading this dashboard here, and we can see live started but not showing in this dashboard. Don't worry, in this case I'm opening my YouTube and just going to my channel, and as you can see the live video already started. So that's how you can actually go live on YouTube using OBS Studio. Thanks for watching.